utsahat dhajjat tat karma pravartanat. You must execute the duties. Just like we have asked our students to finish 16 rounds chanting, minimum. 16 rounds is nothing. In Vrindavan there are many devotees, they chant 120 rounds, like that. The 16 round is the minimum, because I know in the Western countries it is difficult job to finish 64 rounds or 120 rounds like that. Minimum 16 rounds. That must be finished. Tat karma pravartana. This is the direction. Observing the regulatory principles. In this way, we must be abiding by the direction of the spiritual master and the Shastra. Then rest assured, success is guaranteed. Go on reading this.
If our body at present is engaged in the activities of Krishna consciousness, then it is guaranteed that we will have at least a human body in our next life.
So one thing is guaranteed, if you engage in Krishna consciousness, and suppose you do not become perfectly mature, somewhere or other you fall down. We should not fall down, because if you have got enthusiasm and patience, we shall not fall down. But suppose we fall down, Shastra says, Tasya avhadra abhut amussaking. There is nothing inauspicity, because whatever you have done sincerely, that is recorded in the book, in the Krishna's book. Krishna has got an accountant. He keeps nice account of the activities of his devotees. That's a fact. Just like the non-devotees' accounts are kept by Jamaraj for punishment. Similarly, devotees' accounts are kept by Krishna personally. Je jathamang prapaddante tang tathaiva vajamaham. Unless he keeps account, how he says, I respond to the devotee to the proportionate surrender. Je jathamang prapaddante. The real business is surrender to Krishna. If we surrender immediately 7%, then Krishna also gives you the result immediately, 7%. Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekang saranang vraja aham tva sarva papi bhamokkhosa. If Krishna relieves me from all kinds of sinful activities, then where is my miserable condition of life? Miserable condition of life is for them who are as enjoying or suffering. There is no question of enjoyment, but it is sometimes taken enjoyment. The fruitive action, the result of fruitive action. So a devotee does not enjoy anything or suffer anything, because a devotee does everything for Krishna. So therefore, for his personal self, there is no question of karma phala. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Jagyarthe karma annatra karma bandhana. If you act for Krishna, that is nice. If you act otherwise, then it is karma bandhana. Jagyarthe karma annatra. Annatra means except Krishna consciousness activities, the activities of the karmis and the jnanis and the yogis, they are all karma bandhana, bound up. Suppose karmis, they are going to the heavenly planet or higher planetary system for getting higher standard of life, to take birth, but pious activities in nice family to become rich. But that is bandhana, that is bondage. Similarly, the so-called mukti, jnanis, they merge into the existence, Brahma existence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Nirbheda Brahmanusandhan, Nirbhed, without any distinction, enter, merge into the Brahma. That is also bandhana, bondage. Why? Because we find in the Shastras, Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha. Arujya krichena parang padam. Param padam means Brahmapad, to merge into the effulgence, Brahma Jyoti, that is called Parampad. According to Vaishnava, Parampad means to go to Vaikuntha or Golok Vrindavan and be engaged as servant, eternal servant of the Lord. But according to the Jnainis, the Parampad means merge into the effulgence or Brahma Jyoti. The Shastra says that Arujya Krichena Parampadam, to go to the Parampadam, that is also not very easy. Krichena, severe austerities and penances one has to undergo to merge into the Brahma effulgence. Therefore you will find the Mayavadi sannyasis, their stricture is very rigid. They must take bath thrice in a day and lie down underneath the tree, and their renunciation is very rigid. Of course, those who are strictly following. In our Vaishnava sannyas, there is little leniency because they live in Krishna. So there is no need of very strict, rigid following, although it is stated that they should live like this. But there is leniency. But Mayavad, they are very rigid in their principles of sannyas life. That is called Arujya Krichena, with great difficulty. They merge into the Brahma effulgence. Arujya Krichena Param Padam. They attain the perfectional stage, not perfectional, Param Padam, in the spiritual realm. But Patanti Adha again falls down. Again falls down means because in the effulgence there is no varieties. The example is just like you have got a nice Sputnik or what is called rocket. You have got very nice rocket running at the speed of 18,000 miles or 25,000 miles per hour, but you may go if you don't get shelter in some planet, that as they are going in the moon planet, but do not get shelter and come back. Similarly, supposing they are getting shelter, but that shelter is not very secure, they again come back. So, without shelter, how long you can fly in the sky? The sky is unlimited. You can fly on your Sputnik or capsule. But if you don't get the shelter in some planet, then again you come back to your place. So this is the same example is given in the Bhagavad. Arujya Krichena, with great scientific method you can go up. But if you don't get a shelter, then you come back again on this planet. Similarly, the non-devotees, the impersonalists, they undergo severe penances and austerities, undoubtedly. And they rise up to the Brahma Jyoti, Arujya Krichena Parang Padam, Tata Patanti Adha. From there, he again falls down. Same example. Why? Anadrita Jusmat Angraya. Because they did not care for the shelter under the lotus feet of Krishna. Therefore, they have to come back again to this material world. That is practically experienced. We have seen many great sannyasis. They give up this world and take sannyas for merging into Brahma. But later on, they come back again to the material activities for opening hospitals, schools, and philanthropic work. Why? Because they could not get there. In their so-called Brahma realization, they could not get any pleasure. Therefore, they come down again to the material activities. You have led this material world as Brahma Sattva Jagan Mithya. Then why you come back again to this Mithya world to open hospitals and schools? The reason is they could not get any pleasure in so-called Brahma realization. Therefore, they come back to give food to the poor, to open hospital, philanthropy work. Therefore, if you stick to Krishna consciousness, you will enjoy blissful, transcendental blissfulness And then you will not be attracted with this humanitarian work or philanthropic work. Parang drishtya nivartate, in the service of the Lord, there are so much pleasure, transcendental pleasure. Just like in the life of Goswamis, we find Tattva Turnamasi Samandalapati Saneng Sada Tuchava Bhutva Dina Ganeshako Karunaya Kopina Kanthasito Gopi Bhava Rasam Mritadi Lahari Kallolamagano Sada Vande Rupa Sanatana Raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopal. They gave up their ministerial post, Tattva Turnam Asesa Mandalapati Saneng Sada Tuchava, most insignificant. They gave up their ministerial post and they become mendicant. Tattva Turnam Asesa Mandalapati Saneng Sada Tuchava Bhutva Dina Ganeshako Karunaya Kopina Kanthas, become very poor, voluntarily mendicant. But it is very difficult if one changes his dress artificially by imitating Rupa Goswami. He cannot stay. He'll have to take to sex pleasure and intoxication to keep himself fit for bhajan. No. But the Goswamis, they did not take into sex pleasure or intoxication. They were merged into the ocean of the dealings of the gopis with Krishna. Gopi bhavarasam mritabdhi lahari. There is a lahari. There is a flow, constant flow of waves in the ocean of loving affairs between Krishna and the gopis. So they were merged into that. Therefore, this renunciation, this material renunciation did not affect. Otherwise, if one artificially renounced this material world, and he does not get real shelter unto the lotus feet of Krishna, he'll fall down. That's a fact. Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha anaditajusmadang. So if you want to stay attached to the lotus feet of Krishna, then you must always keep yourself busy in the transcendental loving service of Lord. Thank you very much.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe Sartha Karo Bhakti Vedantanam Ebe Sartha